Viewers, welcome to JAMB math class. Before we proceed with today's class, please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Thank you. Now, this question says that if the determinant of x, 3, 2, and 7 is equals to 15, find the value of x. Now, doing this, we have that the determinant of x, 3, 2, and 7 equals 15. In doing the determinant, the rule says that this multiplied by this minus this. You can check some of our videos for more explanation on determinant of a matrix. So in doing this, we have x times 7 minus 2 times 3, and this gives what? 15. Solving this further, we have this to be 7x minus 6 equals 15. Simplifying further, we have 7x equals 15 plus 6, and we have 7x equals 21. Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 7. Our x equals 3. Thank you, and please subscribe.